We are still at the Silicon Labs booth at Embedded World 2026, and I'm joined by Martin, who's going to show me this Arduino-powered Matter smart fan. But before you tell me about it, maybe you could demonstrate it in action.
Yep, sure. So let's give it some instructions. Alexa, turn on fan.
Okay.
So we can see the fan spinning. We're measuring the speed of the fan here, and we're going to animate the lights to make it look pretty relative to the speed of the fan. So if I slow it down, we'll see the lights slow down as well. Alexa, set fan to 10.
Okay.
And that's basically our demo. As the speed drops down, this will drop down, and you can integrate this into your smart home devices.
Absolutely. And I think for many people who are watching this, whether they're familiar with the concept of Matter or not, if they've got some experience with Arduino, they've probably used some kind of a motor driver to turn a motor before. They've maybe used an RGB LED. They maybe used an OLED screen. So underneath here, would it be fair to say that most people that have, say, an Arduino development kit have probably messed around making something similar to this before?
Yes, and what we've done with the APIs for the Matter side of things is you simply include a header file that says, I want to have Matter fan support in here. Yeah. And from that point on, it's just a matter of monitoring a couple of variables. One, whether it's on or off, another one for the speed. And then all that work is done for you already. So all you need to do to develop this kind of application is hook up your hardware and control that hardware when you see those variables change. So that's made it really easy to create this kind of application. Yeah. And we have APIs for a whole range of smart home devices that you might want to play with and create.
Absolutely, and I think that's definitely a point that is worth mentioning to a lot of people who are wanting to start making anything really of their own in their smart home, whether it's on a DIY level or whether they're wanting to learn to actually make things that they could potentially sell. A big sticking point has been, how on earth do you get your thing to work with the entire Google ecosystem or Alexa or anything? So for people that don't necessarily understand Matter, and they hear Matter and Thread, or they hear Matter and Wi-Fi, they hear all of these different things. What is it specifically about Matter that makes it so useful for people who want to make their own things?
Yeah, so if you think about things that have happened in the past with, say, Zigbee systems and things like that, those have often been very closed systems, and everybody's wanted to have their own ecosystem and pull you into it. And a lot of the manufacturers these days, semiconductor manufacturers of ecosystems, have realized that if they work together instead of separately, they can create a much bigger kind of system. Yeah. And that's really what Matter is all about. It's kind of the first time that all these companies have worked together on the same standard. Yeah. And if you want to use this technology at home and play with it and experiment with it yourselves, the other huge advantage is all these systems like Alexa that we're using today, Google Home, they're very open. You can bring your devices into those systems, and that's really the thing that's different from what has gone before. Yeah. If you wanted to create a smart lighting system of your own, not only would you need to create the light, you'd need to create the device and the apps to control that light. But now, with Matter, you can take advantage of all the work that's been done already to do that.
Absolutely. And one thing you mentioned just before we started shooting is that this specific demo as well has something quite nice attached to it, in that the demo itself has quite an extended a video tutorial or blog showing everything.
Yes, we have a video tutorial which you'll find on the Silicon Labs channel on YouTube, all the code's in GitHub, and in that video I'll walk you through exactly how this code works, how it's put together, how the board's put together as well. It's pretty simple, but we make use of some of the big range of drivers that Arduino give you when you use their IDE as well. Yeah.
Well, fantastic. Well, I think for a lot of folks who are wondering what Matter is and why they should get into it, I think we've covered it rather well. But this is also just a lovely project in and of itself, and thank you very much for taking the time to show it to me today.
Okay, that's it. You're welcome. Thank you.
Cheers.